Morning everyone, I'm in Shangri-La, Singapore today and it's the 12th of October. I'm here to attend two things. One is a conference organized by the Global Health Asia Pacific and later attend the gala dinner and the awards. I'm one of the nominees for the awards, so keep cross and I'll update you what's coming next. Hi everyone, good morning. I'm here in Shangri-La, Singapore for the Global Health Aesthetic and Wellness Award 2025, and it is recognition of the excellence in aesthetic and wellness across Asia Pacific, organized by the Global Health Asia Pacific. So I'm excited and we're about to start the conference now. See you soon. Hi everyone, so coffee break time now. Learn a lot from all my friends, good friends, and bringing this knowledge back to Malaysia and to my clinic very soon. So thank you everyone. We finished the morning session. Now it's for lunch break and we'll continue the afternoon section, and then it is the gala dinner and the awards. Hi everyone. I'm so excited. Tonight is the gala dinner with the awards ceremony. Well, my clinic has won many of these awards last few years, including the best aesthetic clinic the last few years and the hair transplant clinic of the year many years ago, and I'm here again nominated. Well, let's hope for the best.
He is the next generation in terms of clinicians within the family, and he just graduated as well. The winner of 𝒖𝒑 Clinic of the Year in Malaysia is Clinic Dr. Inder.
Hi everyone, I'm so proud. Clinic Dr. Inder has won the trophy again. The best hair transplant clinic in Asia Pacific 2025 goes to Clinic Dr. Inder. Yay! Thank you to my staff, thank you to all my doctors, and thank you to all my patients to make this happen. Congratulations to everyone.
Congratulations to Dr. Inder at Clinic Dr. Inder and team for winning two wonderful awards at Global Health Aesthetics and Wellness Summit at Singapore. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to everyone, especially Dr. Inder, our team, and also thanks to our patients for the support and the trust in us. Thank you.